A very good morning, children. This is our today's second E class for English subject, in which we are going to use our phonic workbook. So firstly, take your phonic workbook and pencil eraser and then open it. Students, do you remember that in our last E class of this phonic, we have done Y sound. Which sound? Y sound. This one. And today we are going to learn some new sounds, in which the first one is Ra. R. The R sound. And what is the sound of R? Ra. Ra. Okay? So we have an activity, say, decide and color. Look at the picture and say names, then color the object or animals whose name starts with the Ra sound. For example, rat start with the Ra sound. Look, here we have some pictures. So what you have to do is, firstly you have to identify those pictures begins with sound Ra. This is an insect. So insect begins with Ra? No. This is a rat. Yes, Ra, rat. But this is the lollipop. It's not start with Ra. What is this? This is rainbow. Ra, Ra, rainbow. But ये तो कार है. और सी से कार होता है. सा. So here we can see we have two pictures that begins with Ra sound. Ra, rat. Ra, rainbow. So you have to color these two pictures. Okay? क्या करना है आपको? Rat और rainbow को color करना है. Okay? Moving forward. नहीं, okay. I just forgot to write the date. So write down date 9/9/2020. Okay? This is the activity 2 that I am not going to do because it has very big rhyme. Yeah. This one is the activity 3. Listen, look and say. Listen to your teacher, sing the song, repeat after the teachers with action. Okay? मैम जैसे राइम सिंग करेंगी ना, तो आपको मैम के बाद में सिंग करना है. Can you see? It is raining over here. And look, this is a rover. Its name is Rover. And Rover wants to play outside. But it's raining outside. So he is not able to go outside. ऐसा होता है ना आपके भी साथ, आपको बाहर या छत पे खेलना होता है, बट रेन पे आप नहीं जा सकते हो खेलने. So here we have a rhyme related to this. Rover is saying, अब रोवर बोर हो रहा है ना अंदर, तो he is saying a rhyme. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little rover wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. आप अपना नेम, अगर आपको भी खेलना हो ना और रेनिंग हो रही हो, तो आप रोवर की जगह अपना नेम भी बोल सकते हो. Like rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little rover wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. सिंग करना है आपको ये राइम. ओके? यू कैन ऑल्सो गेट दिस राइम इन यूट्यूब. आई सेंड यू. ओके? नाउ दिस इज द एक्टिविटी नंबर 4. Red Riding Hood is on the way to Grandma's house. Color the picture. Who is she? She is Red Riding Hood. Her name is Red Riding Hood. तो इससे आपको क्या करना है? Color. She is going to her grandma's house. तो आपको इसे color करना है. Okay? So this is your homework to color it by yourself. Got it? Color it beautifully. Okay? Hair with black color, face with skin color, and the cloth with whatever color you wish. Okay? And flowers with yellow and brown color. Color it very beautifully. Okay. Moving forward to another sound. This is small L, no? This is the capital L and this is the small l. So here we have small l. And what is the sound of L? La. 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 Lollipop. La. Ladder. La. Ladyfinger. So the sound of L is La. Look here. Listen to your teacher recite the poem. Repeat after the teacher with action. Look, there is a girl and her name is Betty. And she is in blue color. Betty blue. Okay. Look, she has only one shoe. Another is lost. How will she walk? She is not having the pair of shoes, no? She is having only one shoe. And the rhyme is related to this only. Little Betty Blue lost her holiday shoe. What can little Betty do? Give her another to match the other, and then she may walk in too. Little Betty Blue lost her holiday shoe. What can little Betty do? Give her another to match the other, and then she may walk in too. Let's do activity 2. Picture story. Here I am going to tell you a story, okay? Can you see there is a girl? Okay, let's just listen to me. Miss Lucky Locket. Lucky Locket is in a lawn. Lucky Locket has lost her bag. She is a Lucky Locket. And you know, she lost her bag. She was moving in the lawn and she lost her bag. A girl sees Okay, I am beginning again. Miss Lucy Locket. She is a girl and her name is Lucy. And Lucy is moving in the lawn and Lucy Locket has lost her bag. A girl sees Lucy Locket. A girl helps Lucy Locket. The girl finds the bag for Lucy Locket. Look, this girl helped Lucy Locket. इसका पर्स खो गया था ना, तो this girl helps her to find that purse. Lucy Locket will be careful now. She will not lose her bag again. And from now, Lucy Locket will be careful. आपकी भी कोई चीज खो जाती है ना, तो you have to be careful. Okay? Now turn the page with me. Activity 3. Fill and match. Write letter L in the blanks, then say each word aloud. Draw a line to match each word into its pictures. Look, there are some pictures, and here we don't have the first letter. And what is the first letter is L. So firstly write L, small l, not capital one. Okay, only standing line. Okay, this is lamp, LMP, lamp. So match the lamp with the picture of lamp. Then lamp. Match the lamp with the picture of lamp. Here ladder is written over here. Where is ladder? This is the ladder na. So match the ladder with its spelling at last letter. Don't worry, the whole spelling will not come in your exams. Okay? So do it in book only. Lastly, we have activity 4. Draw a line. Say aloud the name of these animals and object. Draw a line from the animal and object that start with L sound to letter L. What is this? Line, leaf, lollipops, and rabbit. So, line, what is the sound of line? La, line. So, let's just match line with L. La, leaf. So, match it. La, lollipops. बट ला से रैबिट हो रहा है क्या? ला रैबिट नहीं हो रहा है ना, तो डू नॉट मैच रैबिट विथ एल. ओके, सो दिस इज योर होमवर्क टू कंप्लीट ऑल द एक्सरसाइज रिलेटेड टू साउंड एल, साउंड ला एंड रा. This one, and the coloring one, and one more coloring one. Got it? Complete all the activities related to sound ra and la. Good day. Meet you in the next video.